Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to import and export your contact list on your Wix website quickly and easily. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the home section of your dashboard. Next, on the left-hand menu, click Customers and Leads. This will open a comprehensive list of all your contacts, including leads and existing clients. Now click the Import/Export button. To import contacts, select Import Contacts. You'll have the option to upload a CSV file from your computer or import directly from your Gmail account. Choose the option that suits your needs and follow the prompts. To export your contacts, go back to the Customers and Leads page and click the Import/Export button again. This time select Export Contacts. You can download your contact list in CSV, Google CSV, or Outlook CSV format, depending on your preference. Click Export to save the file to your device. And that's it. You've successfully imported and exported your contacts on Wix, making contact management simple and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.